In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a testimonial slider in Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a clean rotating carousel of customer quotes that looks great on desktop and mobile, all without touching complex code. We'll start by building the slider in Elfsight, then embed it on your Squarespace page. Open Elfsight in your browser, and once you're on the dashboard, click Add New App. In the search bar, type testimonial, and from the results, choose Testimonial Slider. This opens a gallery of professionally designed templates so you can get a polished look right away. Browse the templates and pick one that matches your site's style. Minimal, card-based, or image-forward options all work nicely. Click. Continue with this template to load the editor. Here, you can tailor everything to your brand and content. Replace the placeholder text with real quotes, add the author's name and role, and upload a small headshot for extra credibility. You can fine-tune layout options like the number of testimonials per slide, whether it autoplays, and if you want arrows, dots, or both for navigation. Adjust colors and fonts to mirror your site's design. Matching your brand palette keeps the slider feeling native to your page. Take a moment to preview on mobile and desktop in the editor so spacing and line lengths feel comfortable in both views. When you're happy with the look and content, click Publish. You'll be prompted to select a plan. Choose the free plan to get started. Elfsight will generate a small embed code, usually a script tag and a container. Click Copy Code. We'll paste this into Squarespace next. Now, switch to your Squarespace site and open the page where you want the testimonials to appear. Add a new block in the section of your choice and select the Embed block. Click the pencil icon to open its settings, then choose the code snippet option so you can paste custom code rather than a URL. Paste the Elfsight code into the editor. You should see a preview populate. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment while the script loads. Position the block where it fits best, often below a services section or near a call to action, and adjust the block's width so it aligns with your page layout. That's it. You created the slider in Elfsight, published it, copied the embed, and placed it in Squarespace. Any future edits you make in Elfsight will update automatically on your site so you can refine testimonials over time without re-embedding. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new testimonial slider.